Hello, wow, the last few years has been brutal for so many people financially. Has your credit been negatively affected by these hard economic times? Well, we are very happy you found us. We can turn your life around and get you back on track with a new consumer credit profile number. Did you know every U.S. citizen is legally entitled to a secondary credit file number via the 1974 Privacy Act law? Have you been a victim of identity theft, inaccurate reporting from the credit bureaus, or do you just need a second chance? You can obtain your new credit file within 48 hours. Feel great again receiving credit cards, loans, cars, apartment, purchasing a house, obtaining rent or a lease, and opening bank accounts using your legal consumer privacy number. Leverage your new credit profile number to start a business, get funding, and get ahead of this bad economy. You can enjoy starting over with a great new credit score. Take control today and start taking care of your present and past obligations with confidence. Obtaining a new credit profile isn't a dream, it's a real reality that can be accomplished in as little as 48 hours. Our mission: we don't succeed until you succeed. And remember, your new credit file is completely separate from your Social Security number credit profile, but it works the exact same way. This is not credit repair, there is no need to wait months for service. Most of our clients need help right now. They need help literally, right now. Today. They do not have the luxury waiting months for service. We offer brand new legal CPNs for you to use and build a business for new credit approvals. Take your time, look around our website and see all of our products. We offer many how-to instruction products. If you need detailed how-to instruction products, we have many products for you. Most of our products emphasize funding, loan approvals, primary trade lines, loans, grants, business credit, CPN credit building programs, easy credit approvals, and we offer so much more. If you need help or support, feel free to contact customer service. We are always happy to help our clients. Thank you for visiting our website, and welcome to the legal CPN community. Hello, wow, the last